This will be the most important video I've ever made when it comes to Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. So make sure you watch this video if you're gonna watch any videos. Don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. Drop a like. We need this video to be pushed out to more people, so I would always appreciate it if you could drop a like on this video here today. I'm going to tell you why I believe Palantir will hit $25, minimum $25, very soon, okay? Right now we're trading, we closed the day yesterday at 1577. We're trading at 1595 of pre-market today. Now, does that mean we're not gonna have opportunities to trade this stock? Absolutely not. I don't think we're gonna go from 1595 all the way to $25 in a week or even 2 weeks. I think there's gonna be a lot of ups and downs, a lot of trading opportunities. And if you wanna be a part of this plan to increase your overall share count of Palantir on our way up to 25 bucks, join the Patreon down below. It's $7 a month because I'm going to be watching this stock very closely every single day. And I'm personally going to be trading this stock to increase my overall share count on the way up to $25. This is all you need to understand though. And I'm gonna show you this right now. All right, here we go. Daily time frame, okay? First thing I wanna point out is the RSI right here. The thing I wanna teach you guys and show you, before we can tell where is this stock going next, we have to look at what has it done before. Now, Palantir ran from like $7 all the way up to almost $21 pretty recently, right? But once we reach this top, we have been selling off, and then we held strong support. I'll note here at 1363, we had a triple bottom and we bounced off, and then we broke the trend line moving up, and now we're about to break this trend line and get back into this channel. Be my opinion, not financial advice whatsoever, but this is what the chart is telling me, okay? So RSI, negative divergence happened. That's why we crashed, okay? What is negative divergence? Negative divergence is when the stock is making higher highs, which you can see right here for these yellow arrows, but the RSI is making lower highs, okay? Stock, higher highs, RSI, lower highs. You can see right here, I drew a yellow line for you right here on the RSI. It was making lower highs, but the stock was making higher highs. What does that mean? Well, this stock is about to tumble very soon. And that's exactly what it did. You could see right here. We went from 21 bucks all the way down to 1377, 1380. That's a pretty big fall, okay? About $6. So let's talk about where we're going next, because now we understand negative divergence was at play. That's why the stock price fell. Also, you could see, as I talk about the stochastic all the time, once it reaches high points and it starts to curl, that means momentum is moving down, and it's probably time to sell the stock if you're trading it. Now, if you're long-term on Palantir and you don't even care about any of this noise, ignore this video. Hold till 25, because I really do believe we're gonna hit 25 bucks. Being my own opinion, of course, and let me tell you the reason why, okay? So the RSI has recently crossed over this yellow line, pretty recently, okay? We're moving higher, but with the RSI right now, we're still trading on a daily time frame. We're at 56, 57 right now. So we have hit highs of over 80 on the RSI, especially when we're in a bull run for Palantir, which I think we're entering that next stage, especially as we break through all this little resistance right here. Now, there are some levels I want to look at first. For really being my next target is, I believe we need to get to about 1695. We'll call it 17 bucks. I think there's gonna be heavy resistance there, being the 50 on the Fibonacci's. The next area you wanna look for is about 1798, maybe 1777. That's gonna be the 618 level right here, which is gonna be very, very strong resistance, being my opinion, because the 618 always, when stocks hit that, they tend to retrace. Now, this is also going to align very closely with the RSI and the stochastic, so you got to be watching that very closely on a daily time frame. And I do think there's going to be opportunities to increase overall share count, which I'll be going into a lot more detail in the Patreon down below every single day with this stock until we reach 25 bucks. But why $25? The reason $25 is this is a full Fibonacci. You can see right here, this is the 4.236 level, and it's from a pretty low point, being It ran from right here. So this top, when we hit this top right here, we brought it to the all-time low. And this is telling us, TradingView is telling us basically, this is a full Fibonacci retracement now, and it lines up exactly at $25. There's also experts out there that have had 20 plus years experience that are also calling $25 right now. Another thing you want to note is Cathie Wood has loaded the boat on Palantir very recently, bought over 1 million shares last week alone, okay, around like $15. So you do the math, 15 bucks, 1 million shares, what does that equal? So she's pretty much a big believer in Palantir as of lately. So with all of this kind of lining up together, I'm very confident that Palantir could run to 25 bucks. And just so you know, that would be from where we're at today, about a 58% move up.